Hi B babes, welcome back to Face Beat by Nique. Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Tati Blendiful blender, beauty blender. She's a YouTuber. She came out with her own beauty sponge or beauty blender. I purchased this with my own coin. This is not a sponsored video. Yeah, I purchased this with my own coins. I found out about this by watching Beat by Deb. She's a famous you know, makeup influencer on Instagram and here on YouTube, and I watch her videos. I love her work. She's amazing. She's very creative. Shout outs to you, Beat by Deb. So I have this beauty blender here, and it came in this little package. So this is the package here, guys, and on the package it gives you cleaning instructions and on how to clean and keep the blender, you know, nice and bacteria free. And it just says here to machine wash and dry in delicate laundry bag or gentle hand wash in warm soapy water, rinse thoroughly and blot dry. So guys, she says that you can use this in the washing machine. I guess you would have to put it in one of those the laundry bags, and you can wash it in the washing machine. I don't think I would wash it in the washing machine. I think I would just wash it normally, just how I wash my other blending sponges. I'll just wash it and let it air dry. But I'm excited to see how it works, and I'm going to take it out the package, guys. So this is how it looks. So you have this, and the texture is very soft. It's like a velvet type of texture. I've never seen a sponge like this where the texture is almost like fur. You know beauty blenders and the Real Technique beauty sponges, they have like a different texture. So I am so curious to see how this will turn out, how my makeup will come out. But from the reviews, amazing. So I'm wanting to try it for myself, and I can't wait. And then so you get the big blender, and she also sends you a little mini blender. It is so cute. So she sends you a little mini blender in a heart shape. I guess this is for like the little corners that you can't reach, like in here, you know, like in these little areas or whatever. But if you don't want to use that, you can always fold this. And I like the way that it's flexible, so you can fold it. So you can fold it and get into those corners. So you can use both. It just depends on however you feel, whatever you feel like using. But yeah, these two came in the packaging. And so yeah, guys, if you guys are new and you're just joining me and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe for me right now. Hit the bell so you'll get notified when I upload new videos. And yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share with everyone. Comment down below your thoughts, and I will definitely leave a link for this blender. I will leave a link down in the description box below. So let's just jump right into the video, guys. In this instance, I'm going to start with my brows first because I want to see if the sponge can maneuver around my brow area. And I'm starting by just brushing my brows into place. I'm going to start with the I Envy brow pomade, and I'm going to use that to carve out my brows. Now that I've blended out the concealer, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use my my MAC Natural Radiance in the yellow. I'm gonna use that to prime my face. You can use the sponge to apply primers, powders, whatever. And the thing I like about it is if you use one side, you can always flip it to the other side, just like that. So if you one side is dirty and you're like, I don't want to mix products, you can flip it around. So I'm gonna use the sponge to apply the primer. I want to see how it works with everything. So I have a little bit of the primer here. I'm just gonna apply the primer on my skin, and then I'm going to use the sponge and spread it out. And by the way, guys, I love this MAC primer because I kind of have normal to dry skin. It really helps with the dryness, and it gives me a nice radiant look. My powders go on smooth. My foundation is smooth. I love it. It's a little pricey, but it's really worth it. So I'm going to use the sponge, the Tati sponge, and I'm just going to spread the primer and press that into my skin just like that. And I like the fact that it has a pointed, you know, it comes down pointed here because it helps you to get in those corners that's hard to reach. Okay. All right, guys. I'm ready to put Tati to the test. I'm ready. Let's see how this blends out, guys. Okay. Okay. Wow. Not bad. And you don't even need to, wet it or do anything. You can use it dry. I'm gonna go underneath my eyes here. Okay, Tati, come on through with this beauty blender. Yeah, I like it. I'm not gonna lie. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. Go, Tati. I'm liking it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I really am liking it. So now we're getting ready to do the foundation, and I'm going in with my Juvia's Place foundation in the color 340 Kampala, and we're gonna see what's really going on with this Tati Beauty Blender, guys. I'm actually going to dip this into the foundation, and now I'm going to go in and I'm going to apply. So let's see. Wow. Oh my god. Yo, is this real? Look at that. That just gave me an airbrush finish. You guys see that? Oh my goodness. Yes. No, this beauty blender is no joke. It is worth it. You get the 2 blenders for like 16 bucks. I'm not sure how much it is with the taxes. I forgot, but girl, let me tell, baby, sis, let me tell you, man, this is unreal. This is really unreal. This makes my foundation look so airbrush, guys. It's not even funny. Look at this. Look at the coverage that it gives you. Like, this is amazing. I can't even believe it. Look at that. Look at this. This will definitely save you time on brushes. Like, on washing brushes. Because, to be honest, who really likes to sit there and wash all them daggone makeup brushes? Not me. But I know I have to do it because that's my job. But yeah, guys, to be honest, this, baby, let me tell you, 16 bucks. 16 bucks. And this is just amazing. And then just to know that I can go ahead and wash it and clean it right away. I mean, yeah, I would have to wait for it to dry, but still, like, come on. This is saving you from washing 50 million brushes. Like, this is amazing. Tati, thank you, girl, for this beauty blender, because it is bomb, okay? Amazing. Amazing. Oh, oh my God, look at this. Oh my God. This, baby. What? Okay, let me not get too excited now. Let's see if we can get in them corners first. Let me calm down just a little bit. But I'm telling you guys, I'm not joking. And to let you guys know, I'm not gonna give you guys false reviews. I'm not that type of person, fake it till you make it. No. I'm gonna give you guys honest reviews. And if there's companies out there that wants me to do reviews, please don't send me no crap, because I won't be doing a review. If it's a product that I don't necessarily like, or I don't think it's a great product, I'm not gonna come on here on YouTube and say, oh yeah, you guys should definitely get this product because it's bomb, knowing that it's not. That's false advertisement. And I'm not gonna get over on people for money. Like, that's not what I'm here to do. I'm here to help you guys, not get over on you guys and let you guys go spend a bunch of money with these companies that are not pushing out great products. I'm not gonna do. I wouldn't want to waste my coins on products that I know it's not useful to me, or it's not great. So whatever I tell you guys, like, oh, this product is great, that's my honest thought on the product. I'm not coming out here to, you know what I'm saying, sneak one on you guys or anything like that. I want you guys, I want to be helpful and informative for you guys. I don't want to, that's not what I'm about. So if you're looking for reviews on false reviews and stuff like that, this is not the channel, okay? This ain't the channel. So amazing. Amazing. And it does get in those corners. Look, oh my God. I can't. I can't. I can't. This, you guys, are you guys, I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but baby, come on, like, whoo. You don't want to swipe. You want to press. You want to press the product into the skin. You don't want to swipe. If you swipe, your makeup is going to be patchy. So you just want to press that into the skin. Now I'm going down my nose, and I pinched it and I'm bending it. So it's flexible and it can move around, you know, different areas of your face, creases and stuff like that. Boom. Okay. All right, so far so good. So now I'm going to use my Maybelline setting powder, and I'm going to use that to set the concealer. So, and you can use the sponge to set your makeup also. So I'm just lost for words right now. Like, I'm really lost for words. This is amazing. Anyways, let's just continue, guys, because this is too good to be true. Let me see. So I'm going to use my powder, and I'm going to press that into my skin. And I'm going to go under my eyes before they start creasing and going crazy on me. So let's Okay guys, so now that I sprayed down my face, let's see if this Tati sponge can do my highlighter. So I'm just gonna use, flip it over. You guys see it's really dirty on this side. So I'm just gonna flip it over just like that. And I'm going to use the sponge to do my highlight. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh, Tati come through, girl. Ooh, baby girl. This, oh my God. Yes, I'm loving this. I'm so happy I bought this. It was well worth it. It was worth it. It was worth the 16 bucks. Baby, when I tell you, like, look at that. Everything is just so smooth and seamless. Like, I know you guys are probably tired of me saying this, but it's the truth. Like, I can't sleep on this beauty blender. And then we're gonna let that dry. All right, guys, this is the final look, and I used my Tati Beauty Blender on most of the look today. Here's my honest and final thoughts on this beauty blender. It's amazing. So if you have those $16 that you can spend it, okay? Because this beauty blender is bomb. My makeup is so smooth. It's just really nice. It just gives me a nice airbrush finish. It's really a good beauty blender. So go ahead and grab your Tati Beauty Blender if you're trying to eliminate using all those brushes, and it's just so much easier to use this way. You can use the back and the front. Like I said, it's reversible, so you can flip it over, and she also gives you a small one to go with it. So yeah, those coins were well spent. Yes, so I will leave the link to this beauty blender in the description bar, so you guys can go and copy it if you guys, you know, think that this is something that would be helpful for you. Don't forget to check out my vlog channel. That's Life with Nique, LifeWithNique. Yeah, guys, I recommend this beauty blender for sure. So cop that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching Face Beat by Nique. I love you, my beat babes. Until next time, bye.